Good day future our crimes. Ito pala yung Q&A flashcards natin for evidence. Ngayon ito naman ang sagutin natin. What is judicial confession? May dalawang klase ng confession, judicial at extrajudicial. Pero sa video na to, i-discuss natin yung judicial confession. Judicial confession is one made by the accused before an open court in which the case is pending and in the course of legal proceedings therein, and by itself can sustain conviction and is admissible against one's co-accused. Itong judicial confession ay usually nangyayari during arraignment. Ito yung time na tinatanong kung guilty or not guilty. Nangyayari din ito during examination of the accused. Si accused ay nasa witness stand. Pwedeng during direct, cross, redirect, or recross examination yung pag-amin niya sa krimen. Dito sa judicial confession, yung confession ng accused ay binding sa co-accused niya or yung kasama niya na gumawa sa crime.